Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone for live translate so it works reliably. First, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Although offline packs help, online gives better accuracy. Next, open Settings, go to General Management, then Live Translate and toggle it on. Once done, download the specific language packs you expect to use so you have instant offline support. Make sure permissions for microphone and camera are granted, because without them, Live Translate cannot listen or read text for you. Now you begin the translation session step by step. Open the app you need, phone for calls or messages for texts, and select the person or thread. Then tap the Live Translate icon to launch the feature. Choose the source and target languages. You can switch them quickly if the speaker changes. Use the microphone for real-time speech, the camera for signs or menus, or paste text for instant conversion. For smoother flow, enable auto-transcribe so sentences appear as they are spoken, and adjust volume if needed. To finish, close the Live Translate session and review the transcript if you need to save or delete it. If responses are delayed or inaccurate, try switching to a downloaded offline language pack because network congestion can cause lag. Make sure microphone and camera permissions remain enabled and restart the app or the phone if problems persist. If errors continue, update the phone software. Since patches often fix recognition bugs, this usually resolves stubborn issues without further steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.